How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First, open up Messenger. And once you're in Messenger, what you have to do is just basically press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. Once you're here, just press the gear icon on the top. And once you press on it, just scroll down until the end, until you see the option of Meta. Now press on the See More in Account Center. Now what you have to do is just basically press on your information and permissions. Once you go right over here, just basically press on Download Your Information. Now you do this. Now once again press on Download or Transfer Information. And then select your Facebook account. Now press Next. And then just press on Specific Types of Information. And here you will be able to see the option of Messages. Now press on Messages and then press Next. Now just press on Download to Device, or you could just transfer the destination, but basically just press on Download to Device if you want it on your own device. Now you can set the date range. So if you want the messages from like last 3 years, or maybe all time, so you could just press all time, or maybe last week. So I'm just gonna set it for last week and then press Save. After that, you gotta set up your Gmail for that to which one you will get notification, and then select the format. It could be HTML or JSON, so it's up to you. And then the media quality, so it's up to you if you want the high quality or the medium. And then just press Create Files. So you're just gonna start creating your files and messages. So once it's done, you'll be able to see the notification on your Gmail that you've selected. So yeah, this is it on how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and goodbye.